I'm Jennifer, and today I want to tell you about the Workshop 3-gallon wet-dry vac. What makes this vac so unique is the amazing amount of power packed into such a compact and lightweight design. With its 3.5 peak horsepower motor, it has the power of vacs many times its size. With its narrow profile, it stores conveniently in most closets or on a shelf. Release the 10-foot power cord by easily rotating the quick-release tabs. Just flip the power switch, and you're ready to tackle the mess. These switches have been tested to operate over 10,000 times, and they have operated reliably every single time. 10,001, 10,002, 10,003, 10,000. Now, there's one really innovative feature about this vac that I wanted to show you. It has an integrated suction-powered dustpan. This is particularly handy in places like the kitchen, where the crumbs are gathering and calling their cousins and having their own house parties. Not in my house. After removing the car nozzle and releasing the hose from storage, see how it extends from its compact 2-foot size to a full 7 feet. This ultra-flexible premium hose resists crimping and collapsing. The hose also has a special bleeder valve that allows you to adjust the suction levels when high suction isn't desired. So it's kind of like pop the easy-to-open latches for quick access to the drum. And access to the quick lock filter, which snaps on and off for easy cleaning or replacement. Love that new filter smell. And like with every workshop vac, the motor is among the longest lasting in the industry. That's why we confidently back all of our products with the Workshop 5-year limited warranty and the best customer service in business. Suck it up, get it done. Workshop.